friends, welcome back once again to InspireWorks. If you're in a search of some studio light, the flashlight or any kind of light which you can use while shooting your videos and photos, then you are at the right place. Because in this video tutorial, I'm going to give you the full demo of recently purchased flashlight which I have purchased for my video tutorials. I have used it while making my videos and it is really awesome. It is very compact in design, very much professional. Although it is quite expensive, but when I used it, I really feel good about this light. So this one is the light which looks very much professional. You can see this has the very compact design. You can easily carry it anywhere. If you are going for travel or if you are going outside, then you can easily travel with this light. It comes with the battery. This has the NP lithium ion 750 battery, which you can charge it and carry with yourself. If you are going outside, you can easily do the photo shootings and video from there. It has the 520 LEDs in the combination of yellow and white, and it can be operated in two different modes. You can operate it at the 3200K temperature or you can operate it at 5600K. You can adjust the intensity of light through these two modes. Here is the modes. Here is the 3200K, which you can just scroll it and increase the temperature and the intensity of light from here. And upper side is the 5600 key, through which you can scroll up and down to adjust the intensity and temperature of this light. Here is the on off button. In this port you can put the battery of this LED flashlight. This is the USB cable through which you can charge your battery. It also comes with the hot shoe through which you can use it and mount this LED flashlight on your camera, on your tripod and various other gadgets. I found this light quite expensive. I purchased this light in 4K, but when I saw its professional design, look and easy to carry, and when I used it while making my videos, I feel it's worth buying. So now it's time to test this light, check out how it is giving all the color gradient, the yellow and the white gradient, how we can control its intensity and temperature. So here is the battery of this light which is fully charged. Just put it inside this. You just need to put this battery and press this side so it will get fitted inside this. Now it is completely get fitted inside this flashlight. Currently it is off, so in order to make it on, I have to push this button. Now you can see this light is on. You can see all the LED indication start glowing. Now this battery is fully charged right now, and when I on this flashlight, you will not see any kind of light because I have lowered the 5600K and 3200K temperature control gradients, so it will not give any kind of light. Now when I operate the 3200K, scroll it up, you can see the light. See here. So more and more you will scroll it up, you will get the glow of this light. Now right now the white light is glowing and yellow light is shut off. So in order to get this, we have to scroll the 5600K gradients. Now you can see the change in the color. Previously it was seems like it is a yellow, and right now it seems white. So you can control the color gradient and all that. You can increase or decrease the intensity of this light. When you put both the keys, the 3200 and 5600 key at the lower position, it will stop glowing, although it is on. Now it is the demo at my hand. Now you can put this at your DSLR camera or the tripod or any gadgets where it can get fitted and you can use it easily. You can also up and down these flaps and make the focus of this light to you so that the picture and the video get recorded properly with the proper light. To mount this light over the DSLR camera or the tripod, you need this hot shoe. It comes with this light, so you don't have to buy any additional accessories for this light. You just need to put this inside your camera. This one is my Nikon DSLR D5600 camera. So you can easily insert this here and you can put this light on the top of this. So now it is perfectly mounted over DSLR camera. When you are shooting any videos or making any photo, then you can easily put it like this and you can easily do all the stuff with this flashlight. So this is the way through which you can mount this flashlight over the camera. You can also adjust the position of this flashlight. Here is the button through which you can just put it down or make it up and make the adjustment according to your need. Now here is my tripod. I am going to mount this flashlight over this tripod. It is well done now. Now this light get mounted over my tripod and now I can use this light. I can increase or decrease the intensity and the temperature of this light, the yellow and the white light, very easily adjust according to my need so that it can flash the proper light on my face and give the proper look to my videos or photos. So this light is very much handy, easy to use and have very much professional look. You can adjust the color gradients according to your need, the yellow and the white light. But there are few demands which we need to consider it while purchasing this light. The first one is it is only battery backup. Means that if you are traveling outside, you need to charge the battery fully or you need to keep an extra battery to make it functional. If you are doing some video shooting outside or some photo shooting outside and in between that point of time if battery goes down, then you need to keep an extra battery. If you are working inside your home and if you wish to power it with the power source, then you can't do it because it is working with the battery only. If you are making the videos and in between the middle of the videos batteries goes down, then you need to again charge it and again use it. So these are the demerits which I have found with this light. Otherwise this is okay. This is very much fine flashlight which you can use while making your videos or photos. So that's all about this flashlight. Hope that you will find this video helpful. Tell me something about this light, what you find the good thing and the bad thing about this light, whether it is satisfying its price or not. I will wait for your comments. Thanks a lot for watching.